Now more than ever, it's important for educational institutions to find a way to adopt online and distance learning without sacrificing the quality of education. However, distance learning requires more than just video conferencing. Learning should always be interactive and collaborative. BenQ EZWrite Live is a cloud-based whiteboard solution that optimizes remote education. To create a virtual learning environment at home, the teacher only needs a laptop or tablet, monitor, headset, and internet connection. They can set up teaching sessions by starting a video conference, sharing teaching materials, and then logging on to BenQ EZWrite Live on their web browser for cloud whiteboarding. With everything in place, students can just easily join the session and discuss subjects as if they were all in the same classroom. To help with learning retention, teachers can record each session and share it with the class. Students can then watch these videos and focus on certain parts of the lecture. Remote learning must allow students to focus on the ongoing lecture, work in groups, and have insightful discussions. Teachers can also use BenQ EZWrite Live with its built-in video conferencing. It is perfect for after-school tutoring. Whiteboard and video conferencing features can be used together to discuss subjects more in-depth with students. In the event that students are unable to join the class, teachers can set up a video conference, upload materials, and then use the cloud whiteboard features built into EZWrite directly on their BenQ interactive display. Students can join the session and use the cloud whiteboard to share their homework and contribute during discussions. BenQ EZWrite Live connects teachers with students around the world. The cloud-based whiteboard simply runs from your browser on any device. Instant material sharing, co-creation on cloud whiteboard, together with the integrated video conferencing, simulates the in-class experience. Teachers and students can teach and learn as if they were in the same classroom. BenQ EZWrite Live makes distance learning interactive and collaborative.